So today's video, I'm going to show you guys the best code formatter to use in Visual Studio in your project. So the code formatter is called Prettier. Let me show you guys. So this is a Prettier code formatter. To install it, you just search on the extension section. Just search it, code formatter. So Prettier, I think, is still the best. So right now I'm using version 8.1. and it supports languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, CSS, um, JSON, even Python. It supports most of those languages. So let's just get to it. So I have here a Bootstrap CSS file, and the way it is now, I don't think anyone will be able to read the code and understand. So that's where the use of a code formatter comes in. So to use this, you just you right click on your mouse where you see format document. You can just click on that, except you have just one code formatter installed. But right now I have two, so I need to choose the one I need to use. Is it here? Prettier. So I said I want to use Prettier, not Beautify. As I said before, so I click on that. Then now I now click on format document. So it has already begun. The time is depending on your computer. As my computer is a very low end PC, and also the Bootstrap file, I think it will take so much memory. That's why it's taking time. But when it's done, you will see a difference. Let's just wait for it. I don't know why this is, because I tried this out before I made the video, but okay. So there is a, so you now see the difference. You can now actually see all the classes, all the attributes which have been targeted in the CSS file from whatever website you want to make. So that will round up the video for today. So like the video if it was helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this, and also turn on the notifications on, so the next time I upload the video you will get notified. Thanks for watching.